I got it figured out. I'm Nancy, pampered with diamonds, and we're going to see who the recipient of the first canvas is going to be. Who's it going to be? 5 of you. 5 want this canvas with the dragon in it. Let's see who it's going to be. Number 1. Let's see who is number 1. We have to go look back in the comments and see who is 1. Who is number 1? Shadowcraft5789. Email me if you are still interested in this canvas. Congratulations, Shadowcraft5789. You are the recipient of Dragon with a Flagon. Woo, woo, woo. Stay tuned for the next canvas, canvas number 2 of Spread the Love. Thank you. Have a great day. Be kind.